Behold Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor, a colossal cosmic beast. Countless stars stretch across the void like infinite grains of sand on a cosmic shore. But brace yourself, every single glowing dot is a massive raging star burning bright 2.5 million light years away. Each of these worlds likely harbors its own planets, comets, and alien secrets. Now, the Hubble Space Telescope has captured a jaw-dropping, ultra-detailed portrait of this galactic monster, revealing it in a terrifyingly beautiful new light. As we zoom into the galactic core, the stars pack together so tightly, they fuse into a blinding solid golden furnace. Make no mistake, this is no peaceful cosmic spiral. Andromeda is a breeding ground for extreme violence. It is a cosmic powerhouse whose gravity threatens cataclysmic destruction for everything in its path, including our own home. In this video, we embark on an epic journey to our galactic neighbor to dissect the most mind-blowing image of another galaxy ever captured, exposing over 200 million of its stars. We will uncover how Hubble's revolutionary new portrait is decoding Andromeda's chaotic, war-torn history and predicting the absolute devastation awaiting its future. Humanity has been obsessed with this cosmic giant for over a millennium. Back in 964 AD, the Persian astronomer Abdul Rahman first spotted it, describing it as nothing more than a ghostly, nebulous smear. For 7 centuries, it remained a mystery, until December 1612, when Simon Marius pointed a primitive telescope at the sky and changed history forever. Slowly, the secrets of this fuzzy cloud began to unravel. Charles Messier branded it M31 in 1764, but the real breakthrough exploded onto the scene a century later. Enter William Parsons, an eccentric amateur astronomer who built a monstrous 72-inch telescope known as the Leviathan of Parsonstown in his Irish castle garden. For 70 years, this beast reigned as the largest telescope on Earth. Parsons unleashed this giant scope to discover the shocking spiral structure of the Whirlpool Galaxy. It was the first time humanity had ever witnessed a cosmic spiral, triggering a massive wave of excitement across the scientific world. This discovery forced astronomers to look closer at other cosmic clouds, leading to the first ever photograph of the Andromeda Galaxy in 1888 by Isaac Roberts. That historic image captured a stunning, undeniable spiral structure. Yet, even with photographic proof, scientists were completely baffled by what they were seeing. They grouped it with other spiral nebulae, all sharing a bizarre trait. They refused to move like the rest of the stars in our night sky. This mystery sparked a fierce, legendary debate. Was this spiral cloud trapped inside our own Milky Way, or were we looking at entirely separate island universes floating in the deep abyss? In 1925, Edwin Hubble shattered the debate forever. By identifying pulsating stars known as Cepheid variables, he used these cosmic lighthouses to calculate the mind-boggling distance to Andromeda, proving once and for all that our universe is infinitely larger than we ever dared to imagine. Hubble's mind-blowing calculations revealed these pulsating stars were a staggering 1 million light-years away, shattering the belief that they sat inside our Milky Way, then thought span a mere 300,000 light-years. In one earth-shattering moment, the cosmos exploded in size, proving Andromeda wasn't just a cloud of dust, but a colossal galaxy of its own. It was a brutal wake-up call for astronomers of the era, completely rewriting reality overnight. But while our own world is full of deceptive illusions, the secrets waiting in the deep cosmos are far more mind-bending. Let us continue our journey into the unknown. Ever since we realized the universe stretches infinitely beyond our home galaxy, we have mapped billions of star systems. Yet, our deepest obsession remains with the cosmic giant next door, Andromeda. This stellar neighbor holds the ultimate key to understanding how galaxies live and die, offering secrets our own Milky Way hides from us. Trying to map our own galaxy is a nightmare. We are trapped inside a blinding fog of cosmic dust and chaotic noise that distorts our view. But Andromeda, sitting 2.5 million light-years away, offers a crystal-clear, unobstructed window into the birth of worlds. To unlock this cosmic laboratory, we needed an unprecedented view. For decades, telescopes of all kinds captured Andromeda in every light imaginable. But recently, the Hubble Space Telescope unleashed an image so jaw-dropping, it rendered all previous attempts obsolete. After 10 grueling years of observation, scientists assembled the largest cosmic mosaic in human history. Spanning over 1,000 orbits, 600 individual snapshots, and a staggering 2.5 billion pixels, it is the most terrifyingly detailed view of Andromeda ever captured. Prepare to be amazed as we dive in. Tilted at a sharp angle from our perspective, this masterpiece reveals the galaxy's northern reaches stretching to the right, and its southern depths plunging to the left. Scientists estimate a staggering 1 trillion stars hide inside Andromeda, yet most remain completely invisible, shrouded in darkness, even to the mighty Hubble telescope. Against all odds, this beast captured a mind-blowing 200 million individual stars, creating the most jaw-dropping, detailed image of a galaxy in cosmic history. This unprecedented look at our cosmic neighbor exposes its deepest secrets, revealing a violent history and a terrifying glimpse into the future of our own galaxy. Andromeda is a colossal spiral monster stretching a massive 150,000 light-years, its giant arms reaching out across the dark void. But this cosmic giant hides bizarre, unexplained anomalies, and this groundbreaking new image is finally unlocking the truth. Through the legendary panchromatic Hubble Andromeda Treasury project, we can now zoom deep into this alien world with terrifying clarity. The scale is absolutely unreal. Hubble spent over 3 years mapping this chaotic star-birthing disk, capturing light across 6 extreme spectral bands, from blazing ultraviolet to deep infrared. Peer into the outer edges, and a colossal glowing ring of newborn stars appears, orbiting 10 kiloparsecs from the core. These baby stars burn with a fierce blue heat, far hotter than anything around them. They are packed with heavy metals, forged from the ashes of past cosmic explosions. Zooming in reveals an endless, overwhelming ocean of stars. It is mind-boggling. Astronomers say they look like infinite grains of sand on a cosmic beach. The detail is absolutely mind-blowing. But this mysterious ring baffled scientists, and the mystery was about to get deeper. Using powerful infrared eyes from the Spitzer Space Telescope, researchers exposed a second, hidden ring of dust lurking right near the galaxy's heart, just half a kiloparsec from the center. It was hiding in plain sight all along. At first, experts dismissed it as a simple spiral pattern of overlapping orbits. But 2 rings meant something far more dramatic was at play. What could have caused this? These rings were about to expose a dark secret. For decades, Andromeda seemed peaceful, but these rings tell a story of absolute violence. Astronomers realized these dust rings are like ripples in a pond. And what causes ripples? A violent impact. Yes, scientists concluded these rings are the scars of a colossal collision between Andromeda and a companion galaxy 210 million years ago. Like a giant stone dropped into a pond, this cosmic crash sent massive shockwaves of dust tearing through the galaxy, leaving behind 2 ghostly trails that we can still witness today. The prime suspect behind this cosmic hit-and-run is the dwarf galaxy Messier 32. Today it lurks nearby as a bright ghostly haze just 5 kiloparsecs from the core. When researchers ran advanced simulations to recreate the impact, they discovered that a head-on collision perfectly reproduced the exact rings we see today. There is a massive gaping hole in the outer ring where it ripped through Andromeda's spiral, and the simulations recreated this bizarre feature with terrifying accuracy. Back in 2006, scientists believed they had finally uncovered the full extent of our cosmic neighbor's violent past. But thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope, Andromeda was about to expose its darkest, most shocking secrets. This mind-blowing new image of Andromeda wasn't just a lucky shot. It took the combined power of 2 massive, groundbreaking projects, the PHAST survey and the PHAST survey. This epic mission pushed deep into Andromeda's mysterious southern territory, scanning the void from 2021 all the way to 2024. The PHAST survey captured a staggering 90 million new stars, mapping out a massive 2/3 of the galaxy's active star-forming disk. The urgent need for this southern survey was born from a shocking realization: Andromeda's opposite poles are completely different beasts. The southern region is a chaotic, mangled mess, scarred by a history of unimaginable cosmic violence. and the battle scars left behind are absolutely massive. It is almost invisible in the Hubble image because it is so dim, but the giant southern stream is a monstrous structure. This giant trail of wreckage stretches a mind-boggling 150 kiloparsecs from the southern disk straight into the outer halo. Think of it as a ghostly river of debris, ripped from a doomed galaxy that was utterly torn apart by Andromeda's relentless gravity. This stream is completely dead and cold, meaning the stars inside contain almost no gas to spark new life. Their paths are locked in a gravitational dance, drifting silently through the void without ever colliding or generating heat. It is like a group of marbles rolling down separate frictionless tracks in space. The giant southern stream, the dwarf galaxy M32, and the inner halo share a strange metal-rich composition. For astronomers, this shared chemistry points to a terrifying truth. They are the wreckage of a colossal collision, a disaster far worse than the one that created Andromeda's rings. And this cosmic crime scene has a very familiar suspect. A groundbreaking study in 2018 investigated this massive collision and put the spotlight right back on M32, or rather its ancient ancestor. Advanced simulations reveal Andromeda's victim was a massive progenitor galaxy known as M32P. In its prime, this giant weighed as much as 25 billion suns before crashing into Andromeda billions of years ago. Andromeda's gravity violently vacuumed up its gas, triggering a chaotic firestorm of star birth that created a fifth of the stars we see today. Even wilder, we can pinpoint these exact stars. Andromeda is packed with billions of middle-aged stars that baffled scientists for decades. They expected a neat layout like our Milky Way, with ancient stars in the halo and young stars in the disk. But this violent merger explains everything. It gave Andromeda a sudden, massive second wind of star formation. The ultimate proof lies hidden in the new Hubble image of M32. What we are looking at is the battered, strip-naked core of that destroyed galaxy. M32 harbors a relatively small black hole, which allows scientists to calculate the original size of its lost galactic bulge. The math proves the core was compact enough to survive the crash, preventing it from being swallowed entirely by Andromeda's heart. Against all odds, this battered, stripped galactic core managed to survive on the freezing, desolate outskirts of the galaxy, where it quietly remains to this very day. While this remains a mind-bending theory, it finally unlocks the dark secrets of Andromeda's violent, troubled past, connecting its most bizarre anomalies into one cohesive story. Yet, the cosmic truth is bound to be far more chaotic and complex than we ever imagined. A swirling swarm of 36 dwarf galaxies orbits Andromeda, and any single one of these cosmic underdogs could have triggered a massive collision in the ancient past. Only now, armed with Hubble's ultra-sharp, jaw-dropping, high-resolution vision, can we finally hunt for the subtle scars left by these violent satellite encounters. What terrifying secrets will we uncover next in the deep dark of space? But this isn't just a history lesson about ancient cosmic wars. This breathtaking, spectacular image holds the ultimate key to our future, our very own destiny. Locked in a powerful gravitational embrace, the two titans of our local group, Andromeda and the Milky Way, are hurtling toward a colossal, inevitable smash-up. Astounding calculations show Andromeda screaming toward our home galaxy at a staggering 110 kilometers per second, set to collide in just 4 billion years. While humanity will likely never face this cosmic threat, it is absolutely thrilling to imagine how these two iconic star systems will merge and transform. But before you start visualizing this mega galaxy, Milkomeda, a fierce scientific debate has erupted over whether this collision will actually happen. Revolutionary new data from Hubble suggests our home galaxy might actually survive this cosmic showdown and live to fight another day. A groundbreaking study by Till Svala at the University of Helsinki utilized Hubble's precise data to completely rewrite the future models of our local group. The PHAST survey specifically pinpointed the exact distances of 55 pulsing Cepheid stars inside Andromeda. Factoring in the orbits of neighbors like the Large Magellanic Cloud, the math reveals a shocking twist. There is only a 50-50 chance of a collision over the next 10 billion years. Forecasting the fate of our cosmic backyard billions of years from now is a monumental challenge, but this crystal clear view makes the impossible task much easier. A decade of intense research by the PHAT and PHAST programs has concluded, but the real mystery is just beginning to unfold. Boasting enough raw detail to fill 75 8K ultra-high-definition screens, this massive image is packed with hidden anomalies that scientists have barely begun to decode. While Hubble scans new horizons, the Chandra X-ray Observatory recently exposed Andromeda's supermassive black hole in terrifying, unprecedented detail. As every new observation adds another layer of intrigue, the epic biography of our neighbor is transforming into a thrilling cosmic saga. The scientific community eagerly awaits the next mind-blowing revelation that researchers will piece together. In the meantime, this journey brings us face to face with the wonders of Andromeda. After all, we are cosmic neighbors, and our paths might cross much sooner than we think. Keep exploring the cosmos, because the universe is always preparing its next great surprise.